Discord transitions away from traditional text fights means most bots now require explicit setups to read messages or register more than slash commands. So what you want to do is you want to open up your server settings. So first head over to your server and then you want to head over to the server settings. Once you head over to the server settings, what you want to do is here now, you want to select the everyone rule. Now also remember server members must have permission to use integrated bot tools. So select everyone role and under the text channel permission section, toggle on the use application command and that should fix the issue for you. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.